Have you ever wondered about the mysterious creatures that own the night sky? Bats, the only mammals capable of true flight, are a marvel of evolution, with wings that are actually modified hands and a sonar system that lets them see in total darkness. Their story is one of incredible adaptation and survival, stretching back over 50 million years. Let's journey back in time to uncover how these extraordinary animals conquered the night. Our story begins around 60 million years ago, just after the dinosaurs vanished. The ancestors of bats were small, insect-eating mammals, likely scurrying through the darkness to avoid predators. Picture something like a modern shrew. Some of these creatures started taking leaps of faith, gliding between trees much like flying squirrels do today. This was the first crucial step, a bold experiment that set the stage for one of nature's greatest innovations, powered flight. Fast forward to the early Eocene epoch, about 50 million years ago, and we meet the first true bats. Fossils like Onychonycteris finni ** show us an animal with elongated fingers connected by a thin membrane of skin. These weren't just gliders. They could actively flap their wings, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. They could chase down insects in midair, escape danger with a powerful upstroke, and explore territories their earthbound relatives could only dream of. Interestingly, Onychonycteris still had claws on all 5 of its fingers, suggesting it was a climber too. It's a perfect bridge between life on the trees and life in the air. But flight was only half the revolution. To truly master the night, these early bats needed a new sense. Enter echolocation. They started by emitting simple high-frequency clicks and listening for the echoes to navigate and find their insect prey. It was like developing a superpower. Over millions of years, this biological sonar became incredibly sophisticated. Modern microbats can detect something as tiny as a mosquito in complete darkness, pinpointing its location, speed, and direction with breathtaking precision. This single adaptation unlocked a massive, untapped food source and made the night their kingdom. With flight and echolocation mastered, bats exploded across the globe in a burst of diversification. They split into 2 major groups, each taking a different evolutionary path. The microbats we just mentioned perfected their echolocation for hunting insects. Meanwhile, the megabats, like fruit bats and flying foxes, took a different route. They developed large eyes and a keen sense of smell to find ripe fruit and nectar-filled flowers. This clever division of labor meant that different bat species could live side by side without competing. A classic example of evolution finding unique solutions for different challenges. Let's take a closer look at those amazing wings. A bat's wing is an anatomical masterpiece. It's essentially a human hand, but with incredibly long, slender fingers and a thin, flexible membrane of skin stretched between them. This design gives bats an agility that birds can't match. They can twist, turn on a dime, and even hover in place. Their lightweight bones, flexible joints, powerful flight muscles, all work in perfect harmony, making them the undisputed acrobats of the night sky. Beyond their physical traits, bats also evolved fascinating social lives and surprising longevity, compared to other small mammals like mice or shrews, which might only live for a year or 2. Some bat species can live for over 30 years. They form complex colonies, sometimes numbering in the millions, and use a rich vocabulary of calls to communicate. They show dedicated maternal care, with mothers recognizing their own pups' cry among thousands of others. Some species even hunt cooperatively. These complex behaviors are all a result of evolutionary pressures shaping not just their bodies, but their societies too. The fossil record gives us glimpses into this rich evolutionary history. We found ancient bats that were much larger than most species alive today, and others with bizarre features like elongated noses for sipping nectar or specialized teeth for cracking open hard-shelled beetles. This incredible variety shows that for millions of years, evolution was constantly experimenting, tinkering with the bat blueprint to fill every available niche, from dense tropical rainforests to arid deserts and deep, dark caves. Today, this evolutionary success story has resulted in over 1,400 different species of bats, making them the second-largest group of mammals on the planet, outnumbered only by rodents. Their role in our ecosystems is absolutely vital. A single bat can eat thousands of insects in one night, providing natural pest control. Fruit bats are crucial pollinators for plants like bananas, mangoes, and agave, the plant used to make tequila. They are also incredible seed dispersers, helping to regenerate forests. Their very existence is a testament to how evolution has intricately woven them into the web of life. Despite their 50-million-year reign, bats are facing unprecedented threats today. Habitat loss, climate change, and diseases like white nose syndrome are pushing many species to the brink. It's up to us to protect these ancient and vital creatures. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that their incredible evolutionary legacy continues to grace our planet's skies for millions of years to come. So the evolution of bats is a powerful narrative of resilience and innovation. From small ground-dwelling mammals to the undisputed masters of the night, they embody evolution's genius for creating unique and elegant solutions to the challenges of survival. Every silent swoop, every high-pitched echo, and every acrobatic maneuver is the culmination of a 50-million-year-old journey. The next time you catch a glimpse of a bat flitting against the twilight, take a moment to appreciate what you're seeing. It's not just an animal, it's a living piece of evolutionary history, a lineage that dared to leave the ground and conquer the air. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey into the world of bats. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.